What's up, peak timers? It's race day, and today we've got the Audi R8 Spyder going up against 6 supercars. Check out this cool looking Audi R8 Spyder, looking gorgeous, and let's see who it's racing up against today in the tournament. First off, we've got the Lamborghini Huracan in green. Then we've got the Corvette Zr1 Convertible, brand new casting. Then we've got the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Zamac edition. Then we've got the Ferrari 458 Spyder. Then the Dodge Demon Supercharged V8. We'll see how fast that is. And then last, we've got the McLaren 720S. How many of these supercars are going to beat the Audi? We're gonna find out right now. Here we go, race number 1, Lamborghini Huracan versus Audi R8 Spyder. On your mark, get set, go! Audi R8 Spyder beats out that Lamborghini Huracan in race number 1, but now it's the Corvette Zr1 Convertible. Let's see who wins this one. On your mark, get set, go! Audi R8 Spyder is proving to be a fast one, beating out both the Corvette and the Lamborghini, but now it's the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Zamac edition time. Let's see who wins this one. On your mark, get set, go! Ooh, that was a close one at the light, but the Porsche takes the win, beating out the Audi, but now it's time for the Ferrari 458 Spyder. Let's see who takes this one. On your mark, get set, go! And it's another win for the Audi, beating out the Ferrari. So it's 3 wins for the Audi, 1 win for the supercars. But now it's the Dodge Demon time, the big bad beast. Let's see who takes this one. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Audi R8 Spyder is proving to be a very fast car. It wins against the Dodge Demon, now going up 4-1. But it's time for the McLaren 720S, a very fast car. Let's see, can we get some redemption for the supercars, or is it just going to be a 5-1 win for the Audi? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! And it's 5 wins for the Audi and 5 losses for the supercars. Check that out. The only car that beat the Audi was the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Zamac edition. A very, very fun race. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you guys want to see some more racing action, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.